Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Twitch with Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to store.steampowered.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Steam account. Now here's an important tip that will make this connection process much smoother. Keeping your Steam account logged in will help streamline the linking process when we move over to Twitch in just a moment. Next, open a new tab in your browser and head over to twitch.tv. Log into your Twitch account with your credentials. This is where we'll be doing most of the work to establish the connection between these two platforms. Once you're logged into Twitch, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Settings from the available options. This will take you to your account settings dashboard, where you can manage various aspects of your Twitch profile. In the settings area, look at the top menu and click on Connections. This section is specifically designed for linking your Twitch account with other platforms and services, making it the central hub for all your third-party integrations. Now, in the Connections page, look for Steam in the list of available platforms. Right beside it, you'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click that button to initiate the linking process between your Twitch and Steam accounts. After clicking Connect, a new window will pop up displaying the Steam authorization page. This is Steam's way of confirming that you want to grant Twitch access to certain information from your Steam account. On this page, click the Sign In button to finalize the connection. This action will authorize Twitch to link with your Steam account and complete the integration. And that's it! You've successfully connected your Twitch account with Steam, allowing for better integration between the two platforms. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.